number me no know. Read it 3 times before me answer, then read it twice more just to go. She living somewhere past the ocean, different time zone, different sky. Me sitting in the same yard thinking how this supposed to work and why. Me ask me brethren what him think now. Him say boy just leave it done. Me look at the message one more time still and write back every word. Somebody there across the water somewhere. Don't know how it work yet. Don't know if it fair. Somebody there making me aware. Yard now feels so empty now. Somebody there. We talk till the rooster start for crow now. She laugh at something he said. Me forget what it was by the morning, but the laughing never went away. She sent me a picture of her window, gray sky, cold rain somewhere far. Me send back the breadfruit and the sunshine. She said I'd work more than where she are. My mother asked me why me smiling. She said nothing, just a phone. My mother looked at me one time and said, why you not as alone? Somebody there across the water somewhere. Don't know how it worked yet. Don't know if it felt. Somebody there making me aware. Yard now feels so empty now. Somebody there never said the word love yet. But are we too careful for that? But are we been through the weather? But are we know where the cracks at? But something in the Tuesday message, something in the rooster crow, something in the breadfruit picture, taking root and starting slow. And I'ma check the time zone every morning before me even open the eye. Working out the hour where she waking, what she seeing in her sky. My eye on my shirt for a video call, burn the rice, forget to eat. My brethren say me looking foolish, me say yes, but fool is sweet. Maybe ocean always stay between us, maybe this not go no further still. But somebody there across the water, and that alone is worth the feel. Somebody there across the water somewhere. Don't know how it work yet. Don't know if it failed. Somebody there making me aware. Yard now feels so empty now. Somebody there. Oh, somebody there. Checking the time zone. Still smiling still. Breadfruit in the sunshine. Gray sky on her sill. Somebody there.